What's up, you guys? It's J Bunny and welcome back to my channel. I am super hyped for today's video. It is one of my most requested questions in the comment section of my previous videos. This is the hack that you guys have all been waiting for. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of the It's J Bunny fam. And if you're already subscribed, make sure you hit that notification bell so that you can be the first to see every single video I post every week for you guys. Today I am making resin ashtrays, but they're not going to be just any resin ashtrays. They are going to be featuring Hello Kitty, and we're going to be laminating the photos using a professional laminator. Guys, this is my dream come true because we all know if you print pictures right off the printer and you just put it inside your mold and pour resin on top of it, all the ink is going to run. And so in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys the secret on how to waterproof, aka resin proof your photos so that you can print anything you want and include them in all of your resin projects. I cannot wait to show you guys this. Let's get into it. To start this project off, I went onto Google Image and I typed in Sanrio Hello Kitty characters and I picked out my favorite photos. Keroppi is one of my favorite characters. Of course, we have this cute Hello Kitty, and then I have all of the characters here hanging out behind the rainbow and the Sanrio logo. Also, I thought this one was super cute with the plaid background on it. And then finally, I have a more pastel image. Sound off in the comments below if you guys also love Hello Kitty as much as me, and what is your favorite Sanrio character? I'd love to hear what your guys' favorite character is. I mean, they are also freaking cute. Here's some of the molds I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using this heart mold, which is one of my favorite molds to make ashtrays of. I also have this cool eclectic shaped one, a cute square one, a cute circle one, and this one with a flower design inside of it. If you're interested in buying any of these products that I've already talked about or any of the other products that I'm about to show you guys, make sure you check out the links in my description below. I always compile a shopping list for you guys, so if you're interested in recreating these same projects at home, you can easily do that with my Amazon shopping list. And I also dropped a promo code down below to become a part of the Amazon Prime membership. Simply click that link and you'll get a special promo for your first 30 days as a new Amazon Prime customer. Also on today's list of materials is proper PPE, big set of 12 different glitters. Super cute star glitter. It is so freaking cosmic and glittery. I absolutely love it. Chunky iridescent glitter, mica powders, pink, purple, green, red, yellow, black, orange, and blue. Some mixing cups, plastic gloves, mixing sticks, and my favorite resin, which is the Pro Glass resin. I'll pop the photo right here so you guys can see it right now, but definitely check out the link in the description. I linked a 2-gallon set which lasts you for so many projects and is the best bang for your buck. Plus, this resin always cures rock hard. And to address a lot of you guys' issues when you're doing resin ashtrays, the Pro Glass resin, you guys, does not burn. I mean, I put stuff out directly into the resin ashtrays and they have not burned, they have not colored for me. This resin is super heat resistant in my experience and my opinion. So as some of you guys know, in my previous videos, to seal the photos, I have been using packing tape, which does work super well. However, I was running into some issues with certain sections that maybe were not pressed down enough and then resin would seep in, or you might see the little line of the packing tape. So if you're looking for a more professional and clean way of waterproofing, aka resin proofing your paper images, this is the solution for you. A laminator. I know I'm going to use this for so many projects, like the possibilities are endless, and I can't wait to show you guys how to use it to create today's Hello Kitty ashtrays. Let's open it up. So the pack does come with 10 sheets of lamination material, and this is what you'll be using to laminate your images. In addition to that, I also went ahead and picked up some lamination refills just because I know I'm already going to be obsessed with this product and I'm going to use it a lot more times. It comes with a paper cutter and pre-lined ruler measurements, so I found that super helpful. As you can see, the cutter runs right along here. It is going to totally waterproof our images. Let me show you guys how to use it. It is so freaking easy. So to get started, I went ahead and I plugged it into my regular wall socket. Now to get started, I'm going to switch it on to the 3mm setting, since that is the paper thickness that I have purchased. As you can see right here, there's a little red light that is on. You're gonna put this on the table and wait for it to heat up. When it's ready, there's a little light right here that says ready, and that's going to illuminate, letting you know you're ready to use your laminator. While that's heating up, let's go ahead and prep our pouch and images. To prep my images, I'm going to go ahead and cut each of these out and then place them inside the laminator pouch. So while I was cutting out those images, as you can see over here, there's not only the power light turned on, but now the green ready light is illuminated, which means our laminator is ready to use. Take the one sheet out right here, and it's kind of like a little folder that you're gonna place images in between. You're going to be feeding the laminator closed end first, so I just have that arranged already, just like that. I'm going to position my images inside the sheet, leaving at least 3 to 5 millimeters around the edge of the paper so that it can seal. Here are my images all arranged inside my laminator pouch. Now I'm going to simply feed the closed end of the pouch into the laminator, and we're gonna get started with this process. Okay, you guys, that's it. Look guys, it's auto feeding into the laminator. This is a dream tool. The resin art possibilities are now officially endless. That's it. Okay, as easy as that. Look at our images, perfectly sealed in, waterproof, ready to be clipped to size. I am gonna go ahead and use my scissors to cut the images. And now we're ready for the resin. So let me go outside and show you guys how to put these into the cutest resin ashtrays, and then make sure to stay tuned till the end so that you can witness the demolding, and I'll be able to show you guys in that demolding the final product. Let's get going on this craft. I'm gonna get started by mixing up 14 ounces of resin, equal parts of A and B, and then I'm gonna separate them out into these 5 different cups so that I can start adding all of my different colorants. I'm gonna use pink glitter, green glitter, white glitter, blue glitter, purple glitter, some light blue glitter, and some orange glitter. Mix those cups up to pour. I'm gonna start off with the keroppi ashtray, and I'm using this light blue glitter. Oh my god, I love this one. Take your graphic and turn the picture right side down and press it into the mold through the resin to help push any air bubbles out. Top this one off with some of the green glitter resin. Next, I'm gonna fill this one with the orange glitter. Okay, now let me do this Hello Kitty one. Oh my god, this purple glitter is gonna go perfect with that. Make sure you push your graphic down into the resin to help push out any air bubbles. For this one, I'm gonna do an ombre effect, so I'm gonna start by pouring one color of glitter, and then on the other half of the mold, I'm gonna rush to pour a second color of glitter. Once again, taking my graphic, turning it right side down, and pushing it down into the resin. If you guys get any air bubbles, the Bic Grow Lighter is so clutch in getting rid of them. I'm mixing up another cup of 7 ounces of resin, and I'm gonna pour some clear right into my orange ashtray, insert my graphic, top it with more resin, and some of my chunky iridescent glitter. I love this glitter. Now I'm making more of an opaque resin using my mica powder pink color. I simply poured some mica powder dust into the resin, mixed it up, and used that to pour into my resin molds. For my final resin mold, I'm going to do more of an opaque look. I pour the rest of the pink mica powder colored resin into the bottom, and then I'm going to add some clear and stir it inside the mold to make an even lighter pink. Now I'm gonna take some of this cute cosmic starry confetti glitter and I'm gonna add it right to the resin and then take my creative right side down and push it into that. Use your lighter to eliminate any air bubbles and I'll be back in 24 hours for this demolding. See you in a sec. What's up, you guys? Okay, it's been 24 hours and the resin has cured, is hard, and is ready to demold. I am so excited. These Hello Kitty ashtrays came out so freaking cute. All right, you guys, let's start with this flower mold one featuring the pastel group photo. Oh my god, you guys, look how perfect the Hello Kitty image came out. It has some stars here, stars on the bottom, and the pink mica powder totally set this one off. I'm absolutely loving it. It's simple yet so freaking cute. All right, you guys, let's do this Hello Kitty one next. Oh. Oh my god, I am absolutely loving this one. Wow, look how clear the image is because of the laminator. There's no little lines from using any other type of sealing method. This resin cured perfectly. It is so glittery and cute. Oh my god, I'm absolutely loving this one. I think already that this is going to be my favorite one. I love how I do have a glitter layer over the Hello Kitty. Y'all, I am loving this one. Perfect. Okay, guys, let's do this orange one next. I'm obsessed with this photo and the shape of this ashtray. Whoa, love this one. Wow, it's like candy. Are you loving this color? It's giving me orange sherbet vibes for sure. Like, you could just take a bite. All right, you guys, the next one I want to do is this keroppi ashtray. Whoa, oh my god, this one is glittery as fuck. Oh my god, I'm absolutely loving this. It has these perfect little parts right here to put your blunts or your joints in, and wow, this one is so perfect and cute and glittery. I used the green and blue glitter on this one and I think it came out absolutely stunning. All right, you guys, time to demold this last one. This is the one that I did some green and some pink one, and it features lots of different characters from the Sanrio character family. Wow, oh my god, this is my favorite one, I think. I love how the ashtray goes from a glittery green to glittery pink. This is the #1 hack if you're looking to put any photo, any letter, anything paper that isn't typically waterproof inside of your resin projects that's flat. The laminator is the hack, and you guys must get one and try this out right now. Like, the ideas I have running for future projects I'm gonna do with my resin is endless right now. Thanks so much for joining me on this Hello Kitty resin tutorial. I hope you guys loved not only the creation and design of the resin ashtrays themselves, but also the tips and tricks I was able to provide you guys in this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with at least one of your friends. And make sure you comment down below your favorite emoji. If you guys made it to the end of this video, I love reading your comments, and let me know you're out there watching, you guys. Comment down below, did you love the video? Did you not love the video? I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.